Plant FAQs. Loropetalum Chinense Kurobijin. Cerise charm Loropetalum. Cerise charm Loropetalum. Your guide to this alluring shrub. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Cerise charm Loropetalum, a captivating shrub that adds a touch of drama to any landscape. This dwarf variety boasts rich burgundy foliage and vibrant blooms, making it a standout in the garden. What is a Cerise charm Loropetalum? The Cerise charm Loropetalum, Loropetalum Chinense, Kurobijin, is a compact, evergreen shrub prized for its stunning good looks. Deep burgundy leaves, nearly black at times, offer year-round interest. In spring, the shrub explodes with a flourish of cerise red, fringe-like flowers, creating a truly spectacular display. What are the benefits of planting a Cerise charm Loropetalum? There are many reasons to consider this gem for your garden. Alluring aesthetics. The combination of deep, burgundy foliage and vibrant red blooms is undeniably eye-catching. It adds a pop of color and a touch of elegance to any landscape. Compact size. This dwarf variety matures at a manageable 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, making it perfect for smaller gardens, foundation plantings, or even containers. Low maintenance. The Cerise charm Loropetalum is a low-maintenance shrub. It requires minimal pruning to maintain its shape and thrives in a variety of soil conditions. Year-round interest. Unlike many flowering shrubs, the Cerise charm Loropetalum offers beauty throughout the year. The rich foliage provides a backdrop for the spring blooms, and even in winter, the deep burgundy leaves add a touch of color to the dormant landscape. Heat and drought tolerance. This resilient shrub tolerates heat and mild drought conditions, making it a good choice for warmer climates. Where can I plant a Cerise charm Loropetalum? The versatility of this shrub allows for placement in various locations. Foundation plantings. Flank your home's foundation with a row of Cerise charm Loropetalum for a sophisticated and colorful border. Containers. Showcase the beauty of this shrub on your patio, deck, or porch by planting it in a container. Mass plantings. Create a dramatic effect by planting several Cerise charm Loropetalum together in a border or bed. Specimen plant. Highlight the unique foliage and blooms by planting a single Cerise charm Loropetalum as a focal point in your garden. How do I care for a Cerise charm Loropetalum? Here's what you need to know to keep your Cerise charm Loropetalum thriving. Planting. Choose a location that receives full sun to part shade. Well-drained soil is essential. Water deeply and regularly during the first growing season to establish a strong root system. Once established, reduce watering frequency. The plant tolerates moderate drought conditions. Pruning. Minimal pruning is required to maintain size and shape. Prune after flowering to encourage bushier growth. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced, acid fertilizer after flowering to promote healthy growth. What are some common problems with Cerise charm Loropetalum? This shrub is generally pest and disease resistant. However, there are a few potential issues to watch for. Scale. These tiny insects can suck the sap from your plant, causing leaves to yellow and drop. Insecticidal soap or neem oil can be used to control them. Leaf spot. Fungal diseases can cause brown or black spots on the leaves. Improve air circulation around the plant and avoid overhead watering to prevent this. Nutrient deficiency. If your Cerise charm Loropetalum's leaves turn pale, it may indicate a lack of nutrients. Apply a balanced fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Where can I buy a Cerise charm Loropetalum? Many online retailers and local nurseries sell Cerise charm Loropetalum. Look for healthy plants with vibrant foliage and sturdy stems. With its captivating looks and low-maintenance nature, the Cerise charm Loropetalum is a fantastic addition to any garden. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the beauty of this shrub for years to come.